So once you've been able to test the sign up and the creation on sign up of events and schedules, you can then create a test to be able to verify that the bookings work. So here, I'll simply just click onto the link there. This is going to open up the scheduling page for this particular professional. The user then has a choice of being able to choose which of the event types. They can choose their date, they can choose their time slot, they can confirm that time slot. They would then here be able to enter in their name and email, and then adding in any notes and schedule this event. And then the event will be inside of this user's bookings, and we can see that right here, and we can look at the details. And so now we can confirm that everything is working correctly with the bookings. You now have an application that is a fully functional scheduling and booking system, taking probably 15 minutes of setup time.